Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're having a good weekend. I hope you had a good weekend. Excuse me. I'm looking down here because I have a hungry cat, Zion, who
we want to
is trying
see
to
the
grab my
cat.
attention. But today I want to show you guys my new sewing machine. Actually, it's 3 years old, but I'm going to show you the unboxing that I did. My good old singer, my standby, she got sick, had to go to the doctor. And tried I tried an intervention myself, and she was worse after my intervention than before. So she had to go away for about 3 weeks. So that forced me to open this new sewing machine. Oops, here. Do you want to get in the shot?
Yeah. Oh,
everybody,
she's
this
so
is Zion.
cute.
He is a 1-year-old ragdoll cat.
He's gorgeous.
He is always on the prowl for food.
Oh, he's so
which is
pretty.
Why he doesn't want to look in the camera. He's ready to get down and find some food. So if you see me looking down this video, it's because he's here distracting me. Oh, and by the way, I am wearing Simplicity 8878 today. I made that because this little detail on the collar here, I thought this was really cute with the
You
pleat
sewed
and the
that?
tie.
That's awesome.
See very well.
That looks great.
It's rather boxy. I don't know, the neckline, it really stretched out, and I did do the stay stitching and everything. So I'm going to try this again because I really want to make the dress. I think that the gingham, this pink gingham, which in honor of Breast Cancer Month, October, that's why I made this in pink, I think a solid color would have been better to show this.
Cool.
So as you can see, this machine was purchased back in May of 2016, so I'm just unboxing it here now. I had this thing about keeping my boxes. I don't know why, but here it is completely out of the box. Already I can see that it will do a lot more in the way of stitches than my old Singer did. There's the inspection sticker to get rid of. You can actually put 2 spools of thread on this machine. It looks like it threads pretty similarly to the way that the Singer does. Oops, almost knocking it over here.
It's pretty sturdy.
The
it's a very
instruction
sturdy machine.
I really do like the option that you have of running it with a foot pedal to control the speed or with the push of a button. Here is the storage case, and it came with a lot of things. Actually, it came with twin needle, a couple of bobbins, little brush to clean, a seam ripper, a lot more presser feet than I'm used to working with, and there's also a walking foot that came with it, a zipper foot. I do wish that the storage compartment was a little bit larger. I really love this extension table. That's quite nice and something that the Singer did not have at all. So it looks to me to be a nice machine.
It does look nice. Looks like a great machine. Oh, it's got a little
light. The
light.
light is adequate. I really love the position of the bobbin. Can actually see when the spool of bobbin, the thread on the bobbin is getting low. That's a little dial lever to control the speed at which the machine runs. I really like that. I do like the push button for the reverse stitch. So there's just a lot of nice amenities on this machine that I think will make sewing more enjoyable for me. Nothing wrong with the Singer, but this is a nice step up. Okay, so that's the new sewing machine. It is quite the step up for me. It is quiet. It is so smooth. It is beautiful. I mean, I love this new machine, all of the stitches that it can do. I love that I can just hit a button and it starts, the machine. So I have the option of starting the machine going with a push of a button, or, excuse me, the cat just...
Oh, your cat is
just
adorable.
got up on this table and got a bag of treats and pulled it off of the table. Sorry about that. So this machine is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I did sew this with it. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. What will happen to Old Faithful here? I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely going to keep her. There are definitely things that I really like. I like the weight of this machine. That brother is just so light, and the brother doesn't have a nice carrying case. The Singer has a nice hard case that came along with it. But I do have a cart now that I can take my sewing machines to work with me if necessary. But it's nice. I don't have to press down on this lever for reverse stitching. I just hit a button. It's nice. It's a nice step up. This machine, it served its purposes. I have no complaints. If something happens to the brother and I need to use this for a few weeks, I certainly will. It won't be any problem, but I tell you, that brother is nice. It's very nice. So I'm working on another video probably later on today. So my next video will not take as long to get posted. So I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, all the comments that you make. I know there's a bazillion people here you can watch on YouTube. So watching somebody who is just kind of fumbling their way through sewing, it's nice to know that people are out there watching. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye, my intimates.
Thank you so much. You did such a great job. I loved it. Make sure you click the link on there to go to her original video. And I feel like I know her, and this is really, really fun. Thank you so much for that unboxing. It was great.